What is going on, everyone? Riddict here, and welcome to Off the Shelf Airguns. Today we got the Beeman Commodore down here, 177 caliber, and we're going to be trying to hit something at 100 yards with a red dot. You're saying to yourself, why would you do this? And I'm going to tell you why. Because I can. Because I can. It's just for fun. That's right. I notice people come here and they're like, oh, another guy just saying it's just for fun. Well, what do? Go up there and stick a stick up your rear end and then it's got to be this, like, why do you do that? What's the point then? What is the point then? These are pellet guns, air guns. If we're out here trying to get our firearms straight, then I understand that, right? But even then, with those, I still have fun. This, I'm out here to have fun. And we're going to use a red dot and see if we can hit the target at 100 yards, which is absolutely ludicrous, and that's why I'm doing it. So, oh man, you gotta love these people. You really do. Now, I have no clue if this is going to work, but first things first, can we even pating? Can we even pating? Where are we at here? I don't know. We'll find out, right? Ha! Pating! Definitely patinged. This thing's loud. All right, we pating. Now let's try target. Here we go. 100 yards. I don't know why I'm doing this. Just because I can. Even I don't know why I'm doing it. Man, I cannot see that at all. Take another shot, and we'll go check and see what we're doing here. Boy. Let me go look. All right, definitely don't have anything on there yet. Let's keep going. I'd have to bring it down a little. Man, that is, let me see if I can't. There we go. Try that. Oh, must be out. It's all right. We got another one. Oh, of course, I failed to mention we're using the JSB Exact Diabolo, sorry, 8.44 grain, 177 caliber, of course. Here we go. Got another one rounded up here. We'll do two. We'll do one more, and I'll see if I'm even remotely doing anything here. Whoops, I moved on that one. Let me hit the gong, see if that's doing anything. Oh yeah, that one hit. Let me go check it. Well, we got one on there. Absolutely ridiculous, isn't it? We're gonna keep going here. See what I can do. Oh my. We're just gonna go through this magazine and see what happens. We get more, we get more. If we don't, we don't. I don't think that was anything. It could have been. Jeez. Oh my. What is this madman doing? A red dot at this distance? Yes. Because I am a madman. No. I didn't like that one. Watch that be the one that actually hit it. Okay. Man. Got my double vision. Do 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 do. Jeez. Calm down now. Calm down. What do we got? 2 left. 2 left. Jeez. That's it. Yep, that's it. All right. Well, did we get any more on there? I don't know. The fact that we got 1 on there is crazy. You know, I like, what did we do? The Black Bunker BM8 or whatever, and we got 1 on there with open sights using a red dot here. This is not even a magnified red dot. It's just a regular red dot. So it is a challenge, to say the least, and that's exactly what this is. It's a challenge. We're having fun. This is not a technical prowess type video. We're just seeing what we can do, just out here having fun. Because you know what? I get tired of being so serious all the time. I just want to try things that are fun and out of the box and outside the box and around the horn, and here we go. That's what I like to do. Let me go check it. All right. Wow, better than I expected. Got 3 of them on there. Again, this is just a little 4-inch splatter burst, way out there. Little red dot, not even a magnified red dot. The fact I got 3 of them on there, I landed 3, I'll take that all day long. Because this is just for fun, folks. Just for fun. That's right, I'm gonna say it again. Just for fun. That's right. Because I got people. They say, oh, another guy out here is just saying he's just doing it for fun. Well, guess what? I am. Because it's just for fun. For fun. For fun. Yes, sir. And it is. It's a good time. Good old Beeman Commodore, huh? Cool little gun, honestly. Very cool stuff. So, yeah, there you go. With that said, I'll catch you all down the road.